Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find cars for auction in the OpenLane.eu application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that, you will see here the home page, and you should click on the top of your right corner where you see these three lines, basically the menu option. Click on that and you will see the third option being presented to you, the auctions option. Press on that as well. And here you can see that it is basically categorized by end date, and it can be either descending or ascending. Now it's up to you which one you prefer. And if you scroll down, you can see basically the auctions here categorized by, for example, a name like buy now auction, ex-leasing cars, only at OpenLane cars from dealers and stuff like that, or basically the country. You can even see the country like Germany for example, or Netherlands, or basically Belgium. And you can click on any of these categories and you can see the cars that are being sold here. And basically with the view details option, you can see every detail these cars have, basically the car profile, the equipment and the damage. For example, the car profile might have written the mileage, for example, which can be really important to a lot of buyers. So it's basically you can find here anything about the cars and which cars are in the auction in this category that you have selected. And hopefully if you are looking for something specific or at least similar, you can find it here. Now, thank you for listening. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you next time. Bye bye.